benefits.
Like what? Lana, I don't think that's such a good idea.
There's no harm in trying.
Lana, guess I should go out and fix the barn. You X-raying me?
My God, that's amazing. You can do so much with this.
Well, let's start with you not getting so up close and personal with my vertebrae.
I just wish this had happened a long time ago. I've always tried to guess what your life was like, but there was always a part of you that I could never get close to. No matter how hard I tried, I could never really know you. Not until now.
I've left you like 10 messages.
We've been, busy.
Oh, that's nice. While you two have been busy, I've been practicing my cardiac arrest. Are you okay?
Better than ever. Why?
I don't know, only because there have been constant seismic tremors all around Smallville since 2 o'clock.
That was probably us.
What do mini earthquakes have to do with you guys? Oh. I thought you said you couldn't.
Yeah, we normally can't.
You guys talk about this?
What? It's just Chloe.